In this quick video, I'll walk you through the process of replacing the battery in your Audi RS6 key fob. This is a really easy process. You can do it yourself at home. It will just take you a few minutes. And all you'll need to get it done is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which for this device will either be a CR2032 or a 1632. And I'll show you that in a minute. We'll figure out what you have inside of your device. And both of these batteries are inexpensive. You can get them online. If you're interested, go check out the first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a good price. First step here is to flip out the internal key. And if you see here, there are two halves of the device. You can actually just grab on the top, grab on the bottom, and pull and wiggle this apart. If you are finding that difficult, you can just grab a flathead screwdriver, and in this opening on the back, you can just insert and twist, which will get that started for you, and then you just pull it apart. And now we're going to take the bottom. Once again, you can pull it apart with your fingers, just with a little bit of force. So in here where the key was, there are these two kind of edges you can grab onto and just pry this open. And you can see the batteries right in there. I'm just going to put it back together to show you if yours feels a little bit tight, if it's stuck, you can use the same flathead screwdriver, go inside where the key was, and just kind of pry. Just use that to get some better leverage. There we go. Inside, you're just going to, if your battery is coming out like mine, you can just dump it out. Otherwise, you'll just gently lift it up with your flathead. And as you can see, I have the 1632, which is a smaller battery. By comparison, if you pull yours out, it's this bigger one. It says 2032. You will be getting a replacement 2032. So you'll only need one. It doesn't matter which one is inside of your device. If you have the 1632, you can buy one 1632. 2032, it's the same. You buy one 2032. And when we're putting this back in, this is also the same for both batteries. We want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing down. Just set it back into place, positive side down, and click the top on there. Give it a good squeeze. And now you can slide these two back together to connect them and squeeze it all the way down. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.